If you forgot both your Gmail email address and your password, don't worry, you can still recover your account by following a few simple steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your Gmail address first, and then how to reset your password so you can sign back in again. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/username recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page for finding a Gmail address when you no longer remember it. Once the page loads, you'll need to enter either your recovery phone number or your recovery email address. Use the phone number or email that is already linked to your Google account because that is how Google will verify that you're the owner. After that, enter your first name and last name exactly as they were used on the account, then click Next. Google will now send a verification code to your recovery phone number or recovery email. Check your messages or inbox, enter the code on the screen, and continue. Once the verification is successful, Google will show you a list of Gmail accounts that match your details. Look through the list and select the Gmail account you are trying to recover. This step is important because it confirms the exact email address tied to your Google profile. Now that you have found your Gmail address, the next step is to recover the password. Open a new tab and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. On this page, enter the Gmail address you just recovered, then click Next. Google will ask you to verify that it's really your account. When you see the option, click Forgot Password. From here, follow the recovery prompts using your recovery phone number or recovery email. Google may ask for a code, a recent password you remember, or another verification step depending on your account security settings. Complete each step carefully and enter the information exactly as requested. Once Google verifies your identity, you'll be able to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. After saving the new password, your account recovery is complete. Finally, go to mail.google.com and sign in with your recovered Gmail address and your new password. If everything was entered correctly, you should now have full access to your Gmail inbox again. And that's it. You've now recovered your Gmail account even if you forgot both the email address and the password. If this walkthrough helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.